Need more customers, but your marketing budget is already spent? I get it. You might not have extra money for advertising right now, but what if you could trade your products or services for valuable advertising across Central PA? Hi, my name's Keith, and for the past 15 years, I've helped small businesses across Central PA grow through effective marketing. Join one of our free one-hour workshops coming up to discover exactly how you can leverage your existing products or services for powerful targeted advertising without needing additional cash. Now, don't just take my word for it. Come to a workshop and you'll hear firsthand from other Central PA businesses who attended last year. They'll share the success they've had with the program and why they're back again this year. And every attendee will automatically be entered to win $5,000 in free advertising for their business and will receive an exclusive offer available only at these workshops. Here are the dates and locations. April 22nd, 10 a.m., Lancaster Stormers Stadium. April 22nd, 2 p.m., Homewood Suites in York. April 23rd, 10 a.m., Giant Grocery Store in the Community Room in Camp Hill. April 23rd, 2 p.m. at Homewood Suites. That's in Harrisburg, near the Bass Pro. Seats are limited, so don't wait. Register today at centralpaadvertising.com. Here's your chance for impactful advertising without increasing your budget, so register now. Drop your business name in the comments if you're planning on attending.